Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and staying safe at home. Today, we will revise our lesson number 8, Searching for Food. Why do we need food? Food is our basic requirement, and we need food to get energy, and it is important for our growth. And we know that we have five sense organs which gives us information about our surroundings. That's why they are called sense organs. We have eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and as our sense organs. These sense organs transfer the message from the senses to the brain, and then brain interprets that message and gives us the reaction according to the situation. So animals also have sense organs, but they use them in different ways. So now in this chapter we will read that how they will use these sense organs to get the food. First is sense of smell. Animals with poor vision means those who have not strong eyes or strong visibility to see the things, they depend on sense of smell to locate their food. So they use their sense of smell. First example is ants. Have you seen that ants have a strong sense of smell? They come to the particle of the food when we fell it on the floor or we leave a piece of bread on the floor, then it attracts a lot of ants. They do not have well developed eyes, they cannot see properly, but their strong sense of smell helps them. They have a pair of antennae on their head which helps them to smell, and they do not communicate with each other through sounds. They use this chemical trail which they leave on the ground when they find the way. In chapter number 2 we also read that forager ant searches the food and then it comes to the nest again, and then all the worker ants follow them. They leave more chemical trails on the way to keep the trail, that way along which they can collect the food. In the same way, snakes have good eyesight but over for short distances, so their sense of smell is also very excellent and they use this for getting food. A snake flicks its tongue. Have you seen in movies or Discovery channels that a snake flicks its tongue in and out from its mouth regularly, because this tongue helps them to pick up the smell of the food or taste of the object and to get the message to the brain. Snakes like pit vipers and pythons, they also have a special type of sense organ which is called heat sensory receptor, which help them to locate the prey or the food at night also. Do you know that snakes are deaf? They do not hear anything. They do not hear snake charmer's flute. ये सपेरे की बीन नहीं सुनते हैं. They feel vibrations through the ground or whatever they are resting on. So they attract towards that vibrations. Dogs, have you seen in movies or Discovery channels that dogs have excellent sense of smell, and this thing is used by the police to detect criminals, and they use their sense organ to find their food. Because of their powerful sense of smell, they help police to get the criminal. Vultures are also those birds which have a good sense of smell, and they smell dead animals from a distance. They fly near the sky and they smell dead animals from a big distance and they come to the ground. Bears also have an amazing sense of smell. Like polar bear, it can smell its food like seal or fish on the ice 20 kilometers away. So they have excellent sense of smell. Next is shark also have an excellent sense of smell. They can smell even a tiny drop of blood and sense where it is coming from. In some movies we can see that sharks have excellent sense of smell, and they just follow that tiny drop of blood and they sense from where it is coming. So these are the animals which use their sense of smell. Now we are going to read sense of vision. Those who are having good eyesight, they can see very well. Some birds and insects have good eyesight. They depend on their sense of sight to locate their prey or to get the food. Eagles and hawks are one. Ants, flies, bees, they have large compound eyes, which means they have thousands of small micro eyes, and they can detect fast movements also. So they have compound eyes. We have only one eye. They have thousands of small, very small eyes. Next is owls. Owls are nocturnal animals and they are active at night. So they have large eyes, so they can see in the dim light also. So in the darkness of the night, they can see very easily. They have large openings of ears which can recognize the faintest sound, which is the lowest sound or vibrations, and they can locate their prey. They have fluffy feathers which help them to reach to the prey without any noise. Next is sense of hearing. Yes, some animals use their sense of hearing which they use in which they use their echoes. Have you heard or have you seen in the movies that when anyone go to the mountain or hilly areas, and then they told their name and the name is repeated by itself, so which is called echo. A bat sleeps through the day in sheltered places. It is also nocturnal. It comes at night, so it makes high pitched sounds by using its mouth or nose. If these sound waves meet an object, तो जब sound waves टकरा के किसी object से वापस आती हैं और वो हमें दोबारा सुनाई देती हैं, these are called echoes, and bat uses these echoes and get its food, and this technique is called echolocation. In the same way of bats, whales and dolphins also use this echolocation. Nocturnal animals which are active at night and they sleep at the daytime, like owls, nightjars or kakapos, they also have a strong sense of hearing which help them to get the food in the complete darkness. The electric eel produces electricity. It makes its prey unconscious by giving an electric shock. That's why it is called electric eel. Animals also sleep. Yes, just us, they also need rest. We need rest. Our body, our mind needs rest or refreshment. So in the same way, animals also, but they have different time period for sleeping. Different animals need different amounts of sleep. Like some animals sleep for long hours of time, some sleep for a short period of time. So first is the amount of food. These are the factors on which depends that how much they sleep. Amount of food. Big animals eat large amounts of food because they need more energy. They need plenty of time to eat and digest. So the size of the animal, it depends the size of the food, how much it eats and how much time it takes to digest. So they sleep for a short time. The African elephant sleeps only for 3 hours. Next is horses. They sleep for less than 3 hours a day, or cows sleep 4 hours a day. Do you know horses sleep in standing position? Yes, it is true that they sleep in standing position. Next is to conserve energy. Big animals need more energy, so they need to conserve energy. They sleep for many hours to conserve, to save their energy. Like pythons, they sleep about 15 hours a day or 20 hours a day. Tigers sleep 16 hours a day, or bats sleep for about 20 hours a day. Animal behavior varies in sleeping time. Yes, most of the animals sleep at night like us, but some animals which are nocturnal animals like owls, bats or mice, they sleep during the daytime. That's why they are called nocturnal animals. Animal behavior varies in sleeping place also. Some animals sleep in the open like zebra, giraffe, elephants, they sleep in the open forest. Leopards sleep on the tree branches. You can see a picture of leopard. Seals and hippos sleep underwater. Migratory birds which move from one place to another, while they are flying across the oceans, they sleep at that time. Moles and rabbits, they live in burrows. Burrows are their homes. Animal behavior varies in sleeping posture also. Like you can see, Horse sleep while standing and bats sleep upside down. Do you know dolphins and whales come to the surface of the water to breathe because they have lungs, they don't have gills. They are aquatic mammals. So they have blowhole. They always have to be conscious because only one half of their brain sleeps at a time, because other part of the brain reminds them to breathe. So they have to come to the surface for breathing. Now it's time for book part. An animal that is deaf to sounds, answer will be snake. An animal that leaves a chemical trail, that is ant. Ants use their antennae to smell. Snake uses its tongue to pick up the taste. Vultures and bears have amazing sense of smell. Bats locate their food by special sound technique called echolocation. So in this chapter we learned that different animals use their different senses to get the food. Some have strong sense of smell while some have strong sense of vision. Some use their hearing sense and some use their powerful vision of eyes. So stay safe at home. Keep reading. We have completed the revision of lesson number 8. Bye everyone.